When it comes to achieving clean, accurate, and professional drilling results, a drill press stand can completely transform the way you work. Instead of relying on hand stability, which often leads to uneven or angled holes, a drill press stand holds your drill in a fixed vertical position, allowing for controlled, repeatable, and precise drilling. In fact, a drill stand essentially converts a handheld drill into a mini drill press, making it easier to drill perfectly perpendicular holes and improving both accuracy and safety. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, metal fabrication, or DIY repairs, having a stable stand makes a noticeable difference. It frees up your hands, reduces fatigue, and ensures consistency across every task. In this guide, we're diving deep into the top 5 best drill press stands for 2026, breaking down their features, strengths, and ideal use cases, so you can choose the right one for your workshop. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, eJoyous Drill Press Stand. This model is a great entry point for users who want to improve drilling accuracy without investing in a full drill press. It's typically designed with a compact frame and adjustable column, allowing you to control drilling depth and maintain a straight vertical motion. What makes this stand appealing is its simplicity. It's easy to set up, doesn't take up much space, and works well for light to medium-duty tasks such as wood, plastic, and soft metals. The base is generally stable enough for everyday DIY work, and the adjustable clamp ensures compatibility with most standard drills. While it may not be the most heavy-duty option on the list, it provides a solid upgrade from handheld drilling. For beginners or hobbyists who want better control and cleaner results, this stand offers excellent value. Moving on to number 4, Japard Drill Press Floor Stand. This model takes stability to a much higher level. Unlike compact bench stands, a floor stand provides a wider and heavier base, which significantly reduces vibration during drilling. Stability is one of the most important factors when choosing a drill stand, and a larger base helps prevent wobbling and improves overall accuracy. The Japard floor stand is ideal for users working on larger or heavier materials. Its vertical column is typically thicker and more robust, ensuring that the drill remains aligned even under pressure. This makes it suitable for more demanding projects where precision and consistency are critical. If you're serious about workshop performance and want something closer to a full drill press experience, this type of stand is a strong contender. At number 3, the Basheen Mini Drill Stand, a compact and precision-focused option that's especially popular among hobbyists and small-scale builders. This stand is designed for tasks where accuracy matters more than power, such as electronics work, jewelry making, or detailed craft projects. Its small footprint makes it perfect for tight workspaces, while still providing a stable platform for precise drilling. According to user experiences, compact stands like this can significantly reduce vibration and improve accuracy for delicate materials like thin wood or aluminum. The lightweight design also makes it easy to move and store, which is a big advantage for users with limited workshop space. While it's not built for heavy-duty applications, it excels in precision work where control is key. Stepping up to number 2, the Milescraft Drill Press Stand is one of the most well-known and widely used options in this category. It's designed to convert a handheld drill or rotary tool into a mini drill press, offering improved control, repeatability, and ease of use. One of its standout features is the rack and pinion system, which allows smooth and controlled vertical movement. This stand also includes a depth stop, enabling you to drill consistent holes repeatedly, an essential feature for projects that require uniformity. The cast metal head adds rigidity, helping maintain straight drilling alignment. Another advantage is its versatility. It can be used not only for drilling, but also for sanding and polishing when the tool is positioned horizontally. For DIYers and intermediate users, this stand offers a great balance of performance, flexibility, and affordability. Finally, taking the top spot is the Bench Drill Stand 800W, a heavy-duty solution designed for users who demand maximum stability and performance. This type of stand is built with a base and a solid column structure, allowing it to handle more powerful drills and tougher materials. It's ideal for serious DIYers, workshop professionals, and anyone who frequently works with metal or hardwood. What sets this stand apart is its ability to maintain precision even under heavy load. The construction reduces vibration and ensures consistent drilling depth and alignment, Many heavy-duty stands also include advanced features like adjustable tables, depth control systems, and improved clamping mechanisms. These features allow for more complex and demanding tasks, making this stand the best overall choice for users who need reliability and durability. Understanding what makes a good drill press stand is key to making the right decision. Stability is the most important factor, as a strong base and rigid column help reduce vibration and improve accuracy. Experts often emphasize that a wide, heavy base significantly enhances control and prevents tipping during operation. Adjustability is another crucial feature. Being able to control drilling depth and position allows you to handle a variety of tasks with precision. Many modern stands include depth stops and adjustable collars, which make it easier to achieve consistent results across multiple holes. Material quality also plays a major role. Stands made from cast metal or aluminum tend to offer better durability and stability compared to plastic alternatives. A sturdy construction not only improves performance, but also ensures long-term reliability. Compatibility is equally important. Not all drill stands fit every drill, so it's essential to check the collar size and mounting system before purchasing. Choosing the right stand ultimately depends on your needs. If you're working on small DIY projects or crafts, a compact option like the Boschin Mini Drill Stand is ideal. For general use, models like the eJoyous or Milescraft provide a good balance of affordability and functionality. If you need maximum stability and power, a floor stand like the Japard or a heavy-duty option like the Bench Drill Stand 800W will deliver the best results. Each of these stands brings something unique to the table, whether it's portability, precision, versatility, or raw strength. By understanding your workflow and the type of projects you handle, you can choose the stand that best fits your requirements. And that wraps up our guide to the top 5 best drill press stands for 2026. From the beginner-friendly eJoyous drill press stand, the stable and powerful Japard drill press floor stand, the precision-focused Boschin Mini Drill Stand, the versatile Milescraft drill press stand, to the heavy-duty Bench Drill Stand 800W, there's a perfect option here for every workshop setup. Which drill press stand are you planning to add to your workspace? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and tool guides. And be sure to check the description for the latest prices and deals so you can upgrade your workshop with confidence. Thanks for watching.